Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make money on Clickbank. Even if you're a complete beginner, I'm going to teach you how to help people lose weight and get in the best shape of their life. See, one of the things I love about making money online is that you can actually help people accomplish their goals in the process. In fact, the way to really make money online isn't by finding some scammy product or spammy people with links. If you want to turn an online business into a long-term, full-time gig, then you need to find a way to help people get what they want. Now, in today's training, we're going to cover what affiliate marketing is, all about Clickbank, and how to find a good offer. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote someone else's product or service and receive a commission whenever someone buys that product or service from you. The process looks like this. First, you find an offer to promote. Today, we're going to talk about using Clickbank to find offers. We're going to talk more about that in a minute. First, then you're going to promote the offer. This is typically done by sending traffic to an opt-in page to explain the offer, give them away something for free, and collect the email address for further email marketing later on. Next, we're going to collect an email. As mentioned a moment ago, one step in the affiliate marketing process is to collect email addresses. This will enable you to remarket and build relationships. This directly correlates with higher revenues in the long run. Some examples of free products that you can offer are ebooks, trainings, or PDF guides. Let's say you're promoting an offer about an exercise or fitness program. A free lead magnet would give you the opportunity to offer an ebook titled something like 10 Secrets to Weight Loss No One Wants to Tell You. And there's also the follow-up. What good is collecting email addresses if you aren't going to follow up with the people? Following up gives the chance to retarget those who didn't purchase and build relationships with those that did. Now let's talk briefly about the benefits that you gain from pursuing affiliate marketing. First, you don't need to worry about carrying an inventory or fulfilling orders. If you've ever run an e-commerce business, you know just how much time it is and expensive these aspects can be. With affiliate marketing, you eliminate both the stress and costs associated with a typical e-commerce business. There's no customer service. Remember, with affiliate marketing, you're simply connecting people with the product or service and then receiving a commission for the work you do. You aren't handling fulfillment, therefore you aren't handling customer service. That's the job of the company you're promoting. What I'll mention here is that you do want to promote offers from reputable companies. If you provide and promote to shady companies, you'll get complaints and refund requests. Not good for long-term growth. So to do your research, if the offer's shady, let it go and find one that isn't. Next up, affiliate marketing is easy to automate and outsource. Any repetitive task, such as content creation or email marketing or lead generation, can either be automated or outsourced. This can save you time and enables you to scale your business, leading to much greater freedom and opportunities to focus on what you love. Next on the list of benefits is that you get to build an audience or a following or a community and bring value to their lives. Affiliate marketing allows you to have an impact in this world just beyond making money. Moving on, affiliate marketing doesn't require a lot to get started. If you have a computer and an internet connection, you can get started making money online through affiliate marketing. As you grow your business, this doesn't need to change. Yes, there are software tools that you'll need, and they'll have a monthly overhead, but these costs are low in comparison with those other business models online that are out there. Going along with low overhead is the fact that affiliate marketing can be very profitable. Some affiliate programs, like those offered by Amazon, have very low commission rates, but there are plenty of other affiliate marketing programs out there that offer commissions as high as 50%. Many of those affiliate programs also enable you to earn reoccurring revenue, increasing your profits and stabilizing your business. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to Clickbank. First things first, what is Clickbank? It's a marketplace for businesses to connect with affiliate marketers. They have their own affiliate offers with a wide variety of niches, including things like health and fitness, making money online, sports, marketing, ebooks, courses, art and entertainment, self-help. And so now let's talk about the benefits of using Clickbank. First of all, you get instant account approval. You can find a variety of affiliate marketing offers to promote. These things are regularly updated. They are high quality offers and they offer high commissions. But most importantly, they're free to sign up for and to use. So let's go through a quick demo to show you how to access Clickbank's marketplace. After you visit the clickbank.com website and signed up for a free account, you'll be taken to this page. On the left-hand side, you'll click on where the marketplace icon is to view all the affiliate offers available to you on Clickbank. Next, use the search function at the top right to search for a niche that you're interested in. For example, we'll use weight loss, a super popular niche that people are interested in. Now you'll want to use the filter on the top right to filter those search results by gravity. Gravity is a metric that indicates how many times in the past week the offer has been sold. The higher the number, the more sales it's made. This will help you gauge demand and select offers that are already working. Next, you'll find an offer that looks interesting to you. This example is for the smoothie diet. It has an average conversion of $28.61 per sale with a gravity of 175. In looking at the description, this offer also has upsells and bump sales to help you maximize revenue, which can lead you to more revenue, and each lead you bring goes to an offer page. Now that you have the offer selected, let's dive into creating a sales funnel to actually promote that offer. This is an overview of what a sales funnel is. First, you got to get traffic. Be creative here. There are tons of ways to generate traffic. If you like making videos, start a YouTube channel or a TikTok page. If you're good at writing, do a blog. If you're good at creating graphics or images, use Instagram and Pinterest. If you want to do paid traffic, learn to do Facebook ads. The options are endless. Secondly, you send them to an opt-in page. This is also known as a landing page or a capture page. This is a simple one-page website that discusses the benefits of your offer and has a place for your traffic to input their name and an email address. Then you direct them to a thank you page. After someone's opted in and given you their email address, you send them to the thank you page with a button to move on to the sales page. Honestly, thank you pages are optional. Test out funnels with or without them to see which performs better for you. And then lastly, send them to a sales page. This is the offer. This is where you provide your affiliates with a referral link. When traffic visits the page and purchases, you'll receive a commission. I can't stress this enough. Double check and make sure you have linked your thank you page to your affiliate link. Without this, you don't get paid for your hard work. Now, as we've discussed earlier in today's training, it's important to collect email addresses on the opt-in page because not everyone will purchase from the offer page. This enables you to email your leads and encourage them to buy. Though there are many different services out there for funnel building, I recommend ClickFunnels. They offer a variety of features, free training, and awesome, highly converting templates. You can't go wrong with them. Now, to sign up for ClickFunnels, use the link in my description. They offer a 14-day free trial to help you get started. Now let's chat about something else, and that's about setting all this up and putting everything together. Now there are two main ways that you can set up your affiliate marketing business in the way that I've talked about. First, you have the DIY method, which could mean you can spend hours on Google, click through thousands of random courses, and then give up and just get stuck with frustration. Or you could utilize a program that has taught me everything I know, which is Partner with Anthony, or PWA. This program is on for $7 a month, and who doesn't have $7? And teaches you how to set your affiliate funnel up. Remember, that's the opt-in page, the thank you page, the offer. It provides free funnels, email sequences, and talks all about the tips and tricks you'll need to know to succeed. Now, basically, to help you see this and figure out if it's right for you, go ahead and click on the link in my description to access a free training. My guess is that you've stuck around to the end of this video. PWA is definitely for you. Plus, at $7 a month, what's there to lose? So thank you for watching today's training. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out through the comments. Until next time, thank you and take care.